guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. Don't mind I sound like this. I sound a bit weird because I've got cold, so please bear with me, and then don't put it in the comments like, oh, why do you sound like a man? What is wrong with you? I am not well. Don't worry, I'm corona negative. It's just a normal cold. And so today we're going to try something really fun. It's the new viral hack. Everybody's doing it. A lot of my favorite influencers, favorite YouTubers are doing it. So I thought, why don't we try it? So of course I had to try it with you guys. So I'm here now and we're going to try this hack now. So let's start. Make sure that you've applied a nice moisturizer. I've applied my moisturizer, prepped my skin, all set for this look. So the first product is of course the red lipstick. I'll be using this one. This is my favorite one from MAC. It's the Ruby Woo. And all you have to do is you have to apply lipstick here. Okay, so I'm a bit nervous. I hope this works. Let's try. Okay. Okay. Oh, I hope I'm doing it correctly. I think you're supposed to apply it on your nose as well. So here it is. I think that's enough. I look like a fool. So after you've applied your lipstick, you're supposed to blend it. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend. Damn nervous. Don't worry guys, this is not my Halloween look. So I blended this. I look really funny. Okay, so now next step is to apply your contour. You guys know I don't really contour my face a lot, but I'm gonna just follow all the steps and see how if it's gonna work. So next step is contour. So to contour my face, I didn't really have a dark concealer or anything, so I'm going to use this lipstick. It's from Forever 52. So this shade is a bit dark, so I thought this will help. So I'm just gonna contour here as well. I don't really contour so much, but let's try it. So now the next step is to apply your concealer. The concealer that I'll be using today is by Huda Beauty, and this is Granola, okay, 18N. I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes. Here and on my forehead. Oh, this can be like a really cool Halloween look. That looks so funny. Oh god. So that's it. So I'm going to blend all of this now. Oh god. So I'm going to blend this side as well. I think this side I'm going to blend this. So this is what my face looks after a little bit of blending. Okay, so we still left with the foundation. So the foundation that I'll be using today is from Bobbi Brown, and the shade is Golden Natural 4.75. So they said use liquid foundation, I think, not very heavy, like not too thick. So I'm gonna be using this. So this time I'm going to use my brush because I'm done with all the blending. So let's start. So I'm going to be very gentle. I'm going to remove the excess product on my hands, and let's do this. So far so good. I think I'll need a little bit of foundation here. All these areas. So I've applied my foundation, and see, this area is still like red. I left it like that. So I didn't take a heavy foundation. This Bobbi brown one was really good. So if you can see the difference, I've not applied it on my neck just to show it to you guys to see the difference. I think it's good, yeah. Nice hack, I must say. Okay, so now the next step is to set this with a setting powder or a loose powder. And so I'm going to take my Maybelline loose powder and I'm going to set this. So I applied it under my eyes and near my T-zone. So this is my final look now. I think I would have applied a little bit more blush, otherwise I like it. My makeup looks good and it's come out really well. What do you think, guys? So I'm just going to finish this look with some eyeshadow and a little bit of mascara, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is my final look and I enjoyed doing this. This hack was really cool and I want you guys to try it. So please try it. Let me know in the comment section below, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gada Official, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.